This is the buffing machine. The safe region is the lower quarter facing you. Any other areas is not safe. For example, if you buff here, if you lose the grip, it may fly and hit you. If you buff and you lose the grip, the acrylic will drop to the floor and may not hit your toes. Of course, the acrylic may break into pieces. So when you are doing buffing, remember two things. Do not fight against the mop. This is called the mop as it rotates this way. And you have to hold firmly with both hands. Alright, I'll show you how the buffing is done in a while. Sometimes we will add the wax. The black button here will switch on the buffing machine. So you just apply a bit of wax. Having said this, I'm going to show you this part. Alright, so you're going to buff slowly, very lightly up and down. Alright, lightly rubbing against it, do not force in. And you see that I'm moving up and down. Alright, for you, the last step is lightly rub it off. Okay, so you can see the difference now. Alright, I move a little bit to show you the shine. If you've done the filing, the scraping right, it should be a complete uniform surface. This is not. Okay, now I'm going to show you this side. Alright, and the wrong things of doing it is to place the acrylic there and wait. Alright, what happens is that heat will be generated and then this part here may become whitish because it's overly heated. So the rule of thumb is to constantly move the job slowly. Over here, you can buff this way. Alright. Sometimes the inside here, because it's on the outside, there's nothing stopping it and they are not fragile parts, you can actually buff at the corner here. Alright, like so, but do it slowly. It's harder to control, so go lightly. And then of course this part here. Now any part here you cannot buff already, so we're going to skip that. And we're going to buff the head. If we were to start from here to buff, you do not start here but rather here, okay? So that if you were to start here, right, you will find that you will lose the grip, okay? The mop will force it downwards. So the best way is to start from here. And what you do with this part, you turn the job and you finish off there. Switch off the machine when no one else is using. So this concludes the step on finishing to buff and polish the edges of your acrylic. We'll proceed to thermoforming next.